Okay, okay, I got some amazing footage here. Ugly Tesla. Couldn't think you could use ugly in the same sentence as the word Tesla, because Teslas are such gorgeous-looking cars. Well, I got actual footage of I think is the ugliest Tesla I've ever seen, or let's say the first ugliest Tesla, the first ugly Tesla I've ever seen. Happened this morning on the way to Walgreens. Here's the footage. See what you think. Leave a comment. All right, here you go. So did you catch it? There it is. It just went by it in a flash. It's a violet, purple, and black combo. First of all, seeing a Tesla with two colors is pretty unusual. And I thought maybe there'd be some kind of advertising on the door. Like maybe a taxi service or something, but I didn't see nothing. So I just thought that was an odd color combo. Okay. So there's the ugly duckling Tesla. All right.